Today I will discuss about electron transport system. The electron transport system, first one, the energy stored in NADH2 and FADH2 are oxidized through electron transport system. The electron passed on to O2 and resulting in the formation of H2. The metabolic pathway through which an electron passes one carrier to another is called electron transport system. It is present in inner mitochondrial membrane. First one, all full forms of the electron transport system terminology. First one, NADPH2. Next, NADH2. Next, FMN. Next, coenzyme Q. Next, C by T. First one, NADPH2 means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen. Next, second one, NADH2, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen. FMN means flavin mononucleotide. Coenzyme Q and next CYT means cytochromes. The electron transport system comes in the category redox reaction. Why redox reaction? Because it constantly followed by oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation? Oxidation means combines with oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Next, what is reduction? Reduction means combines with hydrogen and removal of oxygen. First one, electron transport system, mainly two steps. First one, transfer of electrons. And next, terminal oxidation. In electron transport system take place on, all of you remember the most familiar diagram, crystal. Children, see the diagram. This is crystal. This is head. This is body and base. This is nothing but what Fn particles. This is also called as oxysomes. First one, electron transport system starts from NADH2. This is NADH2 which get converted into NAD. What happens to hydrogen? The hydrogen given in FMN first NADH2 converted to NAD. In this oxidation, ADP, adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate get converted into ATP. Next, hydrogen given into FMN. FMN will take hydrogen and get converted into FMNH2. What happened hydrogen? You know, FMNH2 will take hydrogen and donate the electrons in coenzyme Q. Coenzyme Q, it becomes again coenzyme Q with oxidation. What happen hydrogen? The hydrogen is going to different electrons and cytochromes. That is, the hydrogens is breaking and split up. First one H2 gives rise to 2H plus 2E minus. These electrons are in the oxidation 2H plus released, and electrons are undergoes to cytochrome B C1. Next, cytochrome B C1 undergoes to cytochrome B and cytochrome C. In this reaction, ADP get converted into ATP. Cytochrome C undergoes to cytochrome A. Cytochrome A undergoes to cytochrome A3. Finally, it goes to O2 released. In this reaction, 2H plus is going to combines here O2. See children, next molecule FADH2 and get converted into FAD. This hydrogen converted to coenzyme Q. In same reactions, hydrogen will take coenzyme Q and next get converted into coenzyme Q with oxidation. Coenzyme Q, next one cytochrome B under C1. Next cytochrome B C1 undergoes to cytochrome C. In this reaction, ADP get converted into ATP. Next cytochrome C undergoes to cytochrome A. Next cytochrome A undergoes to cytochrome A3. In this reaction, ADP get converted into ATP. Finally, cytochrome A3 it goes to O2 released. The main purpose of electron transport system is providing in ATP. One NADPH2 equal to 3 ATPs. That is, first ATP NADH2 get converted to NAD, and next ATP cytochrome B C1 get converted to cytochrome C, and next cytochrome A to cytochrome A3. One NADH2 equal to 3 ATPs. In the same way, one NADH2 equal to 2 ATPs. That is, cytochrome B C1 undergoes to cytochrome C, cytochrome A undergoes to cytochrome A3. This kind of redox reaction continuously oxidation and reduction resulting in the production of H2O and energy in the form of ATP. This is electron transport system. Thank you.